Guys, this is my Rolly waving his tail to say happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to all my fans. See white, white. Why? Why? See them coming. Yes, so greet my fans. Yes, so happy Sunday to my mommy's fans. You know, I'm a pet parent. I don't play with my baby. Guys, it's been a long time. I've been on break due to some circumstances. But I thank God for his healing. See my Rolly! Rolly! Roll! Thank you for watching. Have a nice week. Yeah.